Are we in Kingston? I think it's Kingston below Thames for episode 2 of Behind the Scenes, and we're in this really cool unit that a lovely guy called Brendan actually reached out to me on Instagram, and he was like, I've got this unit, it's going to be empty for like 3 months, come on down. So me and Greg came on down, and we've got a Porsche GT4 to shoot in here for a client called Black Badge Automotive. They're a really high-end rental company. So yeah, we're putting a really expensive car in a really dingy sort of looking unit. So it should be a pretty cool shoot today.
What's the reason behind that?
So when the car gets here and the client gets here, I can literally just look around the floor and be like, ah yeah, I remember, I'll shoot there. So we're just gonna go around the location, scout it out with my trusty really green tape, and plot some holes as well so we don't fall through the roof. But yeah, it's just to help me visually really. Fun and games of getting a Porsche in a really high place.
Yeah, wicked. What are you spraying, Alex?
Smoke machine in a can. Instead of having one plugged into the wall and stuff, you can just do it wherever you want. And it's all good for cars as well because there's no silicone in it, so we don't have a nice Porsche that needs a machine polish, so it's all good. Just moved the car into the second position, and I now love black cars. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to get some smoke out in a minute because everyone loves a bit of smoke. But yeah, we'll get into it.
So that's 4th shot of the day?
4th, onto the 5th. We're going to get it onto this paint here because it will look really cool with a black sort of car. This location's so good. I love it.